Bonjour, hello, welcome to Max Mountain World. It's that time of year again, middle October, where they're going to be taking all the snow cannons for making snow up to the various places on the mountain. Quickest, easiest, best way of doing that, a helicopter takes it up, people are placed, they connect it, leave it, go on to the next one. There's about 30 odd of them, 30, 40, something like that. Have a quick look at them and then let's play helicopter. So just before he comes back again and makes too much noise, we'll have a little look up here just next to the workshops where they have all the snow cannons ready to go. I was up walking there the other evening and yeah, everything is ready. There was a guy working on it, getting them ready. So the first opportunity, i.e. the first half decent weather day, and they go, I think the guy told me it was getting ready for tomorrow, but the weather's good today. It's down to the pilot apparently. So, where is he? He's up there somewhere. Whoops. Big long cable underneath, which we'll see in a second. You can just see a bit of it at the bottom underneath it there. Dropped off. Heading back. Now I'm still getting used to this new tripod of mine, so forgive me if I do stuff like I just did. So you can follow him down. And of course he's going to descend in a turn, so he should end up right above us with a lot of noise in a second or two. I just wait. Wait for the noise to come up, which is happening now. Here he comes. Some dude at the bottom hooks it up. Takes it away. So you can see the whites of his eyes, or her eyes. Wow. It's a bit unusual to see them descend like that. Normally they descend in a turn, moving, because they have more control. They lose control when they have to lose power, or they lose a bit of control. can't quite get the rotor stopped. Bit wobbly there. Bit of a noisier one, this one, than the last. If you look back, I'll try and find a link if I can. I'll put it up top right of the screen from the previous time. And hang on, there we go. And yeah, it's strange to see the different techniques from the pilots. It's not the same helicopter as before. So as I say, normally they'll go round and round to descend, and that way they've got control with power on. But this guy seems to prefer to descend like that, but with a bit less power. You saw it shaking around there, so different. We drive differently, we pilot differently. So I'll put a couple more clips in at the end here. Just this is exciting because this is preparations for winter. Before the snow natural arrives, they've got to get all these things in place so that they can make snow as well. Okay, that's it. Thanks very much for watching. Cheers. Yes, he's not doing the turnaround, he's just stopping and descending from there. Don't know why he's hovering up there. He's very close to the zip wire. Although that might just be an illusion. and in the end the other noise. So in the end I've come away. I was on the balcony at work, the global headquarters down there, and they stopped for something, a break, coordination, preparation, where they're dropping them off, I don't know. So we'll catch this thing starting up and doing a couple more from here. He's somewhere up there. Aha. Go handheld for this last one. See how steady I can make it. There's limits as to how vertical I can go with the tripod. Here he comes. Doing a sort of broadside approach. right over me. Don't forget the views. Yeah, finish off with a quick view check while there's no, well, limited noise. Across to the park is Ekran. It's sunny over there. Not a bad day really. You've already seen some of the clouds. I think he's coming back now. It's just behind here. Should appear there somewhere. Took a different place that time, obviously, a different place each time, but completely different route. See if he does the turn to descend thing, or just comes over. Windiness. Woohoo, yeah, that's refreshing.